Uy, kayo pala. Mapagpalang araw. Andito ako ngayon sa balcony ng Manor Classic Inner Unit Townhouse. Dito yan sa Savannah, located at Barangay Soledad, San Pablo City, Laguna. Meron itong 3 kwarto dito sa taas, and we also have this common space wherein you can put anything that fits your interior design idea. We also have 2 toilet and baths, isa dito sa baba, itong nasa likuran ko, at isa nung nandun sa taas tayo kanina. And just beside the toilet ay ang ating service area and kitchen, magkasama na po yan dito. This is probably my most favorite part of the house dahil ako personally, mahilig po ako magluto at maglaba. Kita nyo naman, napakalawak ng space. Ang floor area nito ay 45.85 square meters, just enough for your living room and dining area. So ayan po ang ating house tour sa ating Manor Classic Townhouse dito po sa Savannah. If you have other questions with regard to this unit, just feel free to reach out anytime. At kung nagustuhan mo ang vlog na to, you can leave a like and paki-follow na rin ang aking page for more of this video. Ako po si Daryl ng City Favor Realty and you're watching City Favor Vlogs. Maraming salamat po!